Sequence of numbers are the sets of numbers that follow a pattern or rule to get from number to number. Each number is called a term or element of the pattern. We'll discuss two types of sequences known as arithmetic sequence and the geometric sequence. Arithmetic sequence is a set of numbers where the rule is either addition or subtraction. We can take an example. The set of numbers from the multiplication table. For instance, we are collecting all the multiples of 2's. So it's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Is an example of a finite arithmetic sequence where the rule is addition by 2 to get the next number. In this set, the first element or the first term is 2, as you see there, starting at 2, and the next elements are found counting by 2's. Therefore, the common difference is 2. So if you take any two consecutive terms like 8 and 10, so 10 minus 8 is 2. If we write the set in the reverse order, in descending order, like 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, then this is also in arithmetic form. So the first term in this case is 20, and the difference we are getting, 18 minus 20 is negative 2. So then that one will be our common difference. Any two consecutive term we take, 10, 8 for example, 8 minus 10 is negative 2. So the common difference is negative 2. We take again 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and it continues in this pattern. So this sequence is called arithmetic sequence, and which is infinite sequence. The general term, say the nth term, is determined by, we always write first term plus n minus 1 times the difference. So if we consider that our first term is a and the common difference is d, then the general term will be a plus n minus 1 times d. Example, we are taking a sequence 5, 9, 13, 17, 21, and so on. So first investigate that it is arithmetic sequence. How we check this? You see 9 minus 5 is 4, 13 minus 9 is 4, 17 minus 13 is 4, 21 minus 17 is 4, and so on. So that's why it is arithmetic. The first term in this case, a equals 5. The common difference, as we have said, is 4. And then the general term will be now a plus n minus 1 times d, and your a is 5 and d is 4. So you got 5 plus 4 times n minus 1. Further simplification, if you want, you can do, otherwise just leave it there. That's the general term. Next, we are going to geometric sequence. So geometric sequence is a set of numbers where the rule is either multiplication or division. The general term of the geometric sequence is a is the first term times the common ratio, exponent will be n minus 1, and you will see the example. The set of numbers at 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, 729, 2187. So these terms are forming a geometric sequence. The reason is when you divide 9 by 3, you get 3. 27 you divide by 9 is still 3. And any two consecutive terms you are taking and check the ratio, always it is 3. That's why it is a geometric sequence. First term is 3 and ratio is 3. Common ratio is 3 that we see here. Now the general term is now ar to the n minus 1. If you plug it there, 3 times 3 to the r minus 1, and you can apply the exponent rules. You get 3 to the r minus 1 plus 1. That gives you 3 to the r. Okay. Now we have some observation. If we get our r greater than 1, The sequence is an increasing geometric sequence. If the ratio is less than 1, then it is a decreasing geometric sequence.